In this video, you are going to learn the easiest and fastest way to set up a TikTok shop so that your products are synced from your data source and not having to do any manual work or anything like that. It only takes a few clicks, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process in this video so that by the end you can tag your TikTok videos with the little shopping cart and people can actually buy your product directly in TikTok. So let me show you exactly how to set this up. Now, the first thing that you will need to do is make sure that you have a TikTok seller sender account set up. In order to set this up, what you want to do is check out the link down below in the description. That link is a special link that will get you offers and rewards up to $1,900. So be sure to check that out when you sign up. Once you sign up and hit start selling here, it's going to take you to a view that looks like this, where it's going to ask for you to sign up with the account with an email or phone number. I would recommend using the same email or phone number that you use for either your Shopify account or your WooCommerce account or wherever you're going to be syncing the products from. If you don't have one of those accounts, don't worry. I'll show you how to manually add the products to your TikTok shop, but it is easier with Shopify. Now, when you go through and sign up for this account, it will ask for a couple of different business documentation and some other questions. I'm not going to walk through the entire process because it's still pretty self-explanatory and takes like 2 to 3 minutes. But once you've gone through and signed up for that, then you'll be taken to your TikTok seller dashboard that looks something like this. Now, mine already has these green check marks here because I've added the shipping, the returns, and the tax information for like demos before. But I want to walk you through this exact process so that you know exactly what to do. So yours may look a little bit different, but it'll probably have these still check marks here, just without the little green boxes. But I'll walk you through all this step by step. So the first thing is to add your shipping and return addresses. This is really straightforward. You click on this view button. Yours will probably say do this now. And once you come into here, you will see there is the option to add your pickup warehouse address and then also your return warehouse address. Just go through and add those real quick. Very easy step to do, but something that you have to do in order to start selling. The next one is the one that probably trips the most people up and the one that I get the most questions on, and that is how to actually add your products here. Now, when it comes to adding products, you can click on the view button here, or if you don't have this view for whatever reason, you can come over here to products, and then it will take you to this little thing that says manage products or add products. Either one of these kind of gets you to the same spot, but we're going to come here from the manage products tab so I can show you exactly how to add products. Now, there are two different ways, well, technically more than two different ways, but two very common ways to add your products to TikTok shop. The first way is to manually add them by clicking here, add product. And you can go through and you can add the images, the product category, the product name, the description, video, sales information, shipping, and all that, which is good. Like I said, if you don't already have a Shopify store or if you don't have an e-commerce store set up, you could go through and do that. And it's very straightforward. You just add all the pictures here and you can add those. But majority of people, my guess is you're here because you want to actually sync a product catalog into your TikTok shop. So let me show you how to do that. If you don't already have a Shopify store, I'd recommend checking the link down below in the description. You can get started for $1 and set one up. And then it's just going to make this process a lot easier. But in order to sync it from your products from Shopify, so in order to sync them from Shopify, what you want to do is you click on this view listing methods, or you can even come down here. It's going to take you to this add product spot right here. And they have made this so much easier, so much better for you to sync your products. You can see there are now a few different methods. You can either list an existing product, you can upload a bulk product, you can list a URL, so you can add a URL inside of here, or you can sync with other platforms. And you can see there's a list of platforms such as Amazon, Shopify, eBay, and more. So we're going to click on this one, list now. And then from here, it is going to take us to the App Store. And they don't make this super easy exactly like what you're supposed to do here. But if you're wanting to sync this with Amazon or Shopify or whatever your provider may be, what you want to do is come into this App Store and type in Shopify. And I'm going to show you how to do this specifically in Shopify and give this a search. And there's going to be a lot of third-party tools, but you want to find the one that's actually provided by this specific company. In this case, there is TikTok for Shopify. We want to install this onto our Shopify store. So we're going to hit install here. Then it's going to take us to this view where we're going to hit install once again. And a third time, we're going to click install. We're now inside of our Shopify store. It may have you log into your Shopify store if you're not already logged into there. All right, and once you click install, you'll see there are two options here. There is the grow your business with TikTok ads. We can worry about that in a little bit, but what we want to do is start selling on TikTok. So we can click set up now. And by the way, you don't have to go through the seller center in order to find this app. Let me go back to the seller center. You don't have to come here. You could also come to your TikTok or to your Shopify store and just type in apps and then type in TikTok, and it will also take you to that app as well in case you are wondering. But here we want to click on start selling on TikTok, set up. And then from this point, it's going to ask us to connect our account. So we're going to connect this to our shop account right here. And once again, this is where it's helpful to have the same email for your Shopify account and for your seller center set up. So it'll have it logged in here. You can see it's asking for my phone number. I created it with an email. So if you did it with an email, click the email here and then log in from that point. Okay, and after you have that connected, you can see it's going to have the verified business, complete your business profile here. You may have to verify your business before you can get this set up. It may ask for like business documentation or something like that. I already did that previously, just a heads up there. But once you're inside of here, you can see you have the warehouse information. I already set that up in TikTok Shop, but now we want to set up the shipping information. Now, if you're using Shopify, they make this really easy because you use all your Shopify settings. In order to do that, you want to come over to the seller shipping and use that. If you wanted to fulfill by TikTok, you can do this option, but majority of people watching this, my guess is you're going to want to go with the seller shipping option and then hit that there. Now, after that, it is going to ask you for the carrier mapping. So if you wanted to map those carriers, you could go through and map all of them for your specific product or service. I'm not going to go through this in this video because the shipping is going to be vary depending on your product and where you're shipping from and all sorts of different factors. But you'll want to go through and make sure that is set up as well in this option right here. And then after I updated the shipping carriers, it automatically synced my products here. And then I did already add my tax info, so you will have to do that. But we can go over here to the manage products and look at the products that it went through. You can see right now I have 2 demo products inside of here, this blue shirt demo, and then also this pots and pans. It looks like one went through and one not synced, and you can see the errors inside of here. So if one of your products isn't going through, you'll want to look at this and see why. And it says Shopify has not yet synced this product and requires fields incomplete. So let's go look at this. We can click here and look at the required fields that we have not completed. And it looks like right here we got to do the region of origin, and then all of these red stars here, we want to make sure we add that information. So now one thing to keep in mind here as I'm filling this out that is important to note is there is specific restrictions on some specific items. You can see here when I come over to when I look at the product category for this, you can see some of these are currently restricted. So cookware, cooking kits, dishes, things like that. So this one I probably won't be able to get approved for a demo account, but just know this is how you can look at the errors that you're getting when you're setting up your TikTok shop. So now we'll come back over here to the shop management or the overview where we can look back at our account. And I will show you what this looks like in TikTok Seller Center. So now we can come back over to our Seller Center and we come over here to products and we look at this. You can see our blue shirt is now live. It has the stock that is taken from our Instagram, or sorry, from our Shopify account. And it has the price here as well from our Shopify account. Now the listing quality, you will want to come in over here and then you can see right now it's fair. You will want to come in and optimize this. Obviously this is a demo, but go through and make sure that you fill all of this stuff inside of here so that you can get this as highly listed as possible. So this product is now live on TikTok Shop, and I'll show you just how quick it is. I'll pull up TikTok right now and show you that it is up on our Zoko demo site. Okay, if you want to check that your product is live, just go to the TikTok search bar and then type in your store name. So in my case, mine is the Zoko demo here. So we're just going to type that in, Zoko demo. And then what you want to do is you want to search, but you want to search by shop. So this little tab right here, let me pull this up here, let me see. So there's this little tab right here for shop. And you can see when I type in Zoko demo, there is our blue shirt that we have. And when you click inside of here, here is the blue shirt. You can actually go through and buy this right now. Please do not go through and buy this. This is just a demo, but this has all of our shop information on here. And then you can visit this specific shop. So if I click here, visit shop, there is our shop and we could add all of our products in there. So now our TikTok shop is set up, but that of course is just the beginning of the step. What I would recommend doing next is to actually connect your shop to a TikTok account so that it can go on your profile, and when people go to that profile, they can see your TikTok shop link there. And then if you're really wanting to scale up your TikTok shop, the next best thing to do is to actually start running ads. If you're wanting to learn how to run ads inside of TikTok shop, then be sure to check out this video right here to walk you through that entire process. And if you want to learn more about also affiliates and different things and how to grow your TikTok shop, be sure to subscribe because I'm coming out with lots of videos on that exact topic. We'll see you in the next one.